Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Lailaya Ani Hidayah, and here I want to explain about analytical exposition. To shorten the times, just go directly to the material. Analytical exposition. Analytical exposition is a type of text that aims to persuade the reader by presenting arguments supported by evidence and logical reasoning. It is commonly used in academic writing, journalists, and public speaking to explain and analyze a particular issue, idea, or phenomenon. Its purpose of analytical exposition: to persuade, convince the reader of the validity of the writer's stance, to inform, provide detailed explanation and facts about issue or the idea, to analyze, break down complex ideas for in-depth analysis, to evaluate, assess different viewpoints or the impact of action, to clarify, resolve, measure, dating, or measure perception. Generic structure of analytical exposition: 1. Introduction, thesis statement, preview of main argument. 2. Body, argument 1, argument 2, and so on. Add feature and example supporting each argument. 3. Conclusion, restate thesis, summary of argument, final thought, or call to action. Example of analytical exposition: thema text, yes, the benefits of online learning for college students. Introduction: online learning offers a flexibility, accessibility, and the opportunity to develop digital skills. Body, flexibility: students can manage their time and academic commitments more effectively when accessibility overcomes geographical and financial barriers to education. Skill development builds essential skills the modern workforce. Conclusion: online learning provides significant benefits that help students achieve academic and career success. Tips for writing analytical exposition: 1. Focus on topics relevant to your audience experience. 2. Use clear and concise language. 3. Provide real-life examples to support your argument. 4. Maintain a logical flow and engage the reader from the start. Key characteristics of analytical exposition: 1. Objective, focuses on logic and reasoning, not emotion. 2. Evidence-based, relies on data, fact, and example to support argument. 3. Clear sentence, allows expression a clear position on the issue. The language use formal, academic language, professional or academic context. Conclusion: analytical exposition is a text that presents well-reasoned arguments supported by evidence and analysis. Its purpose is to persuade, inform, analyze, and evaluate. A clear and organized structure helps readers follow and understand the writer's argument effectively. All I more or less apologize for. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time, all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you today? My name is Imratun Aina. You can call me Aina. I'm from Batu Kalangan. Okay, I will present that about article acquisition presented by Imratun Aina. List of context, definition analytical acquisition, characteristic of analytical acquisition, structure of analytical acquisition, example structure in analytical acquisition, example of analytical acquisition text, language asset in analytical acquisition, benefits of analytical acquisition, closing. Definition analytical acquisition. Analytical acquisition is a text designed to present arguments and persuade the reader to accept the written viewpoints. It focuses on issues using logical reasoning to convince the audience. Characteristic of analytical acquisition: to present in a formal and objective manner the following requisites should the flowed. Number 2, for an objective language. Number 1, for an objective language as a natural professional language without emotional or basic expression. Number 2, logical arguments. Superior point with evidence, data, or example that led to a clearer conclusion. Structure of analytical acquisition. In application, the structure can be broken down and flow. Number 1, this is the statement. Begin by clearly stating your main arguments or opinions to set the direction for your presentation. Number 2, argument. Present detailed, logical, and evidence-based in the points that supports your thesis. Make sure these points are clearly explained. Number 3, retaliation. By restarting your main arguments to reinforce your message and leave a strong impression on your audience. Example structure article acquisition. This slide presents an example of how an article acquisition is structured. Number 3, thesis. The main argument is the education in the digital era in Corona for national progress. Number 2, arguments. Technology ensures access to information, digital education, for learning methods, its success skill net in the job market. Number 3, reiteration. The question reinforces that digital-based education is essential for a best future. Example of analytical acquisition text. This slide illustration an analytical acquisition on the topic on education in the digital era. It contains the argument from the previous slide, showing how as point support the thesis. The slide had to contextualize the arguments within the broader structure of the full text, examining the role of digital education in national progress. Language used in analytical acquisition. In analytical acquisition, the language is formal and objective, focusing on facts and reason with an emotional on basic language. Logical contour, such as therefore, for example, and
Rasul and also to link different parts of the arguments. The presentation of arguments and evidence in systematic, ensuring clarity and making it easy for the audience to follow the reason. Benefits of analytical exposition. An analytical exposition helps the reader understand a specific perspective by presenting a clear point of view. It provides evidence such as facts, data, or sample to support the argument. The format and objective language allow the reader to assess the argument logical without being influenced by emotional or bias. Closing. This slide summarizing the key points of the presentation and stresses the importance of analytical exposition in presenting clear, logical argument. It emphasizes the analytical exposition is a powerful way to persuade and inform an audience. Okay, this is final slide. Hopefully, we can all be more active in studying to test we can and CV or share our interest aspiration. Thank you. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.